Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your WhatsApp account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking the video. First, open up WhatsApp and then tap on the menu button at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Now tap on Settings. From Settings, tap on Account. Now tap on Delete My Account. Be aware that deleting your account will remove all of your message history, delete all your data and backups, and remove you from all groups. You will need to create a new WhatsApp account if you want to use it again. If you are sure you want to continue, then you can confirm the deletion by entering in your phone number and then tapping on Delete My Account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.